Here we are again, back at it again, at the scrub, ready to do some more hiking today. More hiking and more feeling. We're here today at another place in Cairns here. Good old Crystal Cascades. I haven't been out here to do it for a while. Monkey there. Haven't been out here doing it for a while. Last couple of times we're going up this here stream. Little place called Fairy Falls, little lush little pocket of rainforest. But we're here today. We'll show you some nice little spots here. Like I said, I haven't been up to the top for a while, maybe even years. So we'll go out and see what that's like. Just enjoy it. Once again, there's a few people out here. The car park was full. I'm sure when I pull up, see a big bunch of shitty ass backpackers getting ready to go shake their holes in the water here. So I might go higher than that. Where they are. But yeah, come along on the journey. So we're coming up to one of the first spots here. Man, little spot we used to swim here back in the day when we were younger. The spot we'd come to, and surprised there's not many people here at this spot, considering it's the first one. They must be adventuring up today, but let's have a look and see what we're looking for today, what we're scouting for. Crystal clear water there, but we'll go a bit higher. If it's like that just here, wait till we get higher if you're liking that. So that's another spot. Usually come down and have a dip in when I'm back here in Cairns. And if you're familiar with my videos, you've seen them there before, you know that I come back to this spot right here. Still a bit of climbing to get up there. There's a lovely little waterfall up it. Well enough, but right up in the back there. So I've climbed up a couple of times up the top there, but yeah, today it might be a bit challenging, even though every other time I've done it, it's been raining. But I was on a prize right at the top though, so we'll go there first today. That you'd hate to walk into one of them. Yeah, everywhere up here, more spiders. I was seeing a video footage of one of them suckers eating a snake. fucking little spider eating a snake. Ooh, like that. It's all fresh water here. It's all rapids. And the sense of some people. I've just seen some fella walking past with a fucking fishing rod. You wanna go fishing in this? What do you reckon you're gonna catch? Oh, that's straight up. That's where we're cruising. There we go. Beautiful on this side. Don't worry, we'll get a closer look this time as well. I'll try and get you a closer look this time. Not as challenging as the other one, but we'll get down and have a look anyways. I got a feeling that it's going to be pretty fresh in there this morning. Pretty fresh, but it Ooh, I almost lost my glasses. I reckon, yeah, it's going to be pretty fresh in there. Good wake up. Woof, wake up call. Finger. We made it. I know we're not too far away from the top. It's not that challenging, this here point. But we got to the point where we call it here. It's a place called No Fear. It's a cliff spot, and jump off it. You know, if you can see the ropes going up. The rope's going up just there. Climb up. Goes higher. I'm sure it used to go higher. I'm sure it used to go higher up the top there. But it jump off the cliffs. Straight into the leaky cauldron. Looks cold. Fucking freezing. Not much sun beaming through up here neither, so ain't gonna stop us though. Made it to the top of where the track finishes. Back in the day I used to cruise beyond here, but that was when I was young, real fit and shit, but today we won't go beyond that waterfall because it's pretty hectic, but we'll give you a look at where we are. So we'll do some rock hopping. We'll see how well my foot is for rock hopping. But yeah, we made it. Made it up the top. Lovely little spot. Said always about peace, tranquility. No excuses. No excuses to be able to look after your own health. Get out and just think about you for a moment. It's very challenging, whether you're female, male, everyone needs it. Just end up cruising out, letting all your worries go in places like this. That's where I find my healing, and I get the beautiful thing to bring you on these journeys with me. I always love to capture these things for people that can't make it out here. People that are either locked up, people that are wheelchair bound, or people that can't walk. That's no excuse for us that have freedom to not be able to get out here and enjoy the beautiful things that we have. Look at that, massive mountains behind it. While we're here, I'll share a quick story about the waterfall here. We'll see if we can zoom in. But back in the day, I used to jump off the top there, and the tourists and everyone would be up here, and not many people jump off it. Dangerous, pretty dangerous. There was a log that used to go straight across it, a log that went straight across. And I remember jumping off one day and getting out, and the tourists are looking down, and there's a fucking massive 1 metre eel, big red-lipped eel or whatever they are, in the water. Jammed up there, yeah. Climbed up beyond there, cruised up through the scrub. Back up, there's more waterfalls up there, but just peace, man. Just peace. Tempting to swim here. Right at the top. Like I said, I like to get in and do the flow of water. Right at the top where it flows, jump in and let all the worries go downstream. But there's also some other beautiful spots down there. Told you, we like to get close. We like to get real close. Find a way to do some rock hopping, but promised I'll get up a bit closer. Definitely getting in for a dip somewhere up here. Look at that. That's us. Keep moving the safest way we can. It's flowing. Trying to be as cautious as I can. That's a nice little look there, I think. I'm sitting on some pretty slippery rocks. Tell you what, she is a bit chilly. Shit all over my face. Woo! That's us. Nice little dip, freshen up. Nothing better. Ain't no better medicine. Ain't no better medicine. Flowing water, carrying all the worries and all the shit in the world away. For me, that's how I feel. So like, this place isn't as mad as that place I was at the other day. Closer, closer to Cairns, but good for a little leeches on me. Leeches on me the other day. And a good, not far from Cairns. Always when we're up here with the family, always bring the family here. But peaceful. Big mountain in the back. Me shivering my ass off, that's fucking fresh. It's fresh, but the only way to get in is don't get it. I might go to another spot. Swim at no fear here in Cairns. And head down, might dip in the other spot, show you something else, but yeah, that's it basically today. Bringing my push-ups out here in a lovely spot. Doing my daily deposit into my health the best way I can, so that I can try and improve my quality of life and little things like that. Peace and love you all, and may you enjoy your day.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean, let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I want fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong.
Gonna go for one last dip on the way out down there. Very nice until I was trying to suss out a track down. Seeing all of this right here. No leaves on it. This here thing here. That's a stinging tree. I ain't getting something like that. Oh, track it here. More dip. It's nice to just put in. Oasis. Bit off track, but one more quick little dip before I go. Definitely can't pass that up when the sun's right on it. It's crystal clear and lovely. Kick back, do some breath work here now. Lovely place. Lovely spot. when I'm putting these videos up, I'm not meaning to tease. It's all about encouraging people to get out and just enjoy the beautiful things we have. I said to someone the other day, just enjoying what we got left. Do you know when it's your time? I don't know when it's my time, but I'm going to fucking enjoy it as much as I can until things like this. So I was about to sit down and meditate on this rock, and you wouldn't believe what I just seen. Oh. Ooh, look at the size of that. Let him basking in the sun there. I'll show you compared to my hand. That's up against my hand, and I got a pretty big hand. That's it, fam. Gonna call it on this morning's little adventures. Coming up to lunchtime today, but as I said, gonna go and enjoy the day. Look at the peace and serenity out here. Look at it, it's enjoyable. A bit of a climb here, but hey, thanks again for the journey, coming along with me. And yeah, like I said, it's all about encouraging to get out in nature and find your peace. That's my healing. I'm just sharing a bit of mine, and in the hopes that it may encourage, if anyone's dealing with shit, to just go out and just let it all out in the scrub. We all do go through shit each and every day, and sometimes we don't even have the time to come out and do this stuff. Live busy lives, but that shouldn't be no excuse not to get out and look after yourself. And yeah, that's it. It's all about peace, happiness, positivity, and gratitude. Let's get there. Right now, back through the scrub. Love yous and leave yous. Peace and love. Enjoy your day, and stay tuned for the next one. Again, and I'm just about to capture the next challenge. Up behind me there, this big rock. It's called Glacier Rock. We're going to conquer that one as well. Next challenge.